welcome back with me, and I'm gonna teach you guys about globalization and modernization, transformation, about journey, explore the profile, forces shaping our connection about the world, and discover how they refine scientists, economy, and culture. Okay, the definition about globalization and modernization. I'm gonna teach you guys about globalization first. The interesting interconnection of economies, scientists, and culture worldwide, defined by trade, communication, and immigration. And modernization is the transition from traditional to modern. Scientists through industry, technology, advance, and social change. And this is the history. Look at this, bro. Ethnic trade routine. Over 2,000 years ago, the Silk Road forget easily global. Trade links and connection diverse culture across Europe, Asian, and African. And Colombian exchange from the 15th and to 16th country. This era faced a massive transfer of plants, animal culture, human population, technology, ideas between American, West African, and the old world. And to list century digital age. Today, rapid digital communication and complex global supply chains accelerate integration, transforming our world at the unexpected speed. That's the end. And I'm gonna tell you guys about economic globalization of opportunity and challenge. Multinational production, complex supply chains like automotive part make across commerce, drive efficiently innovation. Outsourcing benefits service such a call center in India and factory in Vietnam have lifted millions out of poverty by creating new economic value. And the challenge is job displacement. Automatic outsourcing can lead to job losses and development country economic dependency over our global markets can create valuation during economic downturn and trade disperse. Rising our quality, the benefits of globalization are not always evenly distributed, exacerbating wealth disparity between nations. And social and cultural transformation. 1. Individual and materials. Urban and technology, culture homogenization and privacy.
Technology transfer and innovation acceleration. Globalization signifikan meningkatkan adopsi dan penyebaran teknologi, enabling digital tools to reach remote corners of the world faster than ever before. Emerging markets, particularly countries like China and South Korea, are increasingly becoming key contributors to global innovation, shifting the landscape of technological development. Over 40% of labor productivity growth in emerging economies was linked to foreign knowledge flow, highlighting the critical role of technology transfer in economic development. political and legal modernization. Global institutions, organizations like the UN and WTO, play crucial roles in fostering international cooperation and modernizing legal frameworks worldwide. Evolving philosophies, modern societies continuously mediate the complex link between globalization and the evolution of political thought and legal system. Balance sovereignty. A key challenge involves harmonizing national sovereignty with the, dem- demands of global governance and ensuring protection for vulnerable nations. Environmental and geopolitical impacts. Environmental concerns. Climate change, industrial growth fueled by globalization, contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation. Resource depletion increases global consumption, strains natural resources, leading to deforestation, water scarcity, and biodiversity loss. Geopolitical landscape, rising tensions. Geopolitical rivals such as the US-China trade disputes test the resilience and stability of global interconnectedness. Persistent interdependence. Despite ongoing conflicts, global trade volumes and information flows remain near record high 2023 data, underscoring an enduring interdependence. The dark side, inequality, cultural loss, and risk. Exacerbate inequality. Globalization can widen wealth gaps, leading to the exploitation of labor in developing countries as corporation. Six, cheaper production. Cultural erosion. The dominance of global media and customer culture can threaten the uniqueness and diversity of local tradition and language. Facilitate race. Global networks, while connecting US, also facilitate the rapid spread of pandemic, terrorism, and transnational crime. There is an urgent need for policies that ensure inclusive growth, foster cultural respect, and build resilience against global threats. Last one is conclusion. Embracing complexity for a sustainable future. First point is irreversible forces. Globalization and modernization are profound, irreversible forces that continue to shape our world in multifaceted way. The second point, critical balance. Achieving a delicate balance between economic growth, cultural identity, and social equity is paramount for a harmonious future. The third point is strengthen cooperation. Enhance global cooperation, essential to address shared challenges and unlock opportunities for collective prosperity. Critical balance. I'm sorry. Innovate responsibly. We must commit to responsible innovation, ensuring that technological progress serves humanity and protects our planet. The last point is protect diversity, safeguarding cultural diversity and promoting mutual understanding are crucial for a rich and resilient global society. That's that's all. Thank you.